Got a question. How many verses do you know? Pill, pill, we love you still. Just the pill, pill, we love you still.
I know all of them.
Go on then.
Right.
Come on, Kevin.
I've got to think about it.
Right, follow me then, Kev. I'll start off.
Go on, go on, go on.
Pill, pill,
I love thee still. Even though I'm leaving, pill, pill,
pill, pill,
I love thee still. And the ferry boat starts heaving. When the rain downpours, the thunder roars, the lightning flashes bright. You'll be better by far in the Duke or the Star on the old Pill ferry tonight.
Woo! We're not allowed to do cuddling until May the 17th.
Okay.
Okay. Have you two always broken the rules?
It's the 18th today, isn't it?
It's the 18th today.
When I got in front of the chapel, when you gave me the right royal rollicking, because I'd said
You're allowed to swear on video if you like to, Uncle David.
a right royal rollicking because when I said my little piece, you and Jean said you didn't say it loud enough, David.
You have to sing something about a ship on the sea or something, didn't you?
So they said you have to say it louder tonight. So I went. There was a ship upon the sea, it was a pretty sight, it sailed along so pleasantly when all was safe and bright.
You didn't get told off then?
I got told off for saying it
Too loud.
Hey!
Hey! Well done, Mum.